Hey guys, welcome to Placements Prep. So today in this video we are going to discuss regarding how to upload an ID card and how to track your status. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. And first of all, you need to log in into your Ultimatics, then go to Employee Services under the GESS Global ESS. Under Global ESS, you can see an option called My Profile. So click on that My Profile, and there you can see My Photo. Click on My Photo, and then it will ask you to upload your photo, which is there will be some prerequisites for uploading a photo, like the photo should consist of white background, and you should avoid white cloths with white background, and the file type should be JPG. And after uploading your photo, please click on Publish, then only your supervisor will approve your photo. See here some of the points you need to keep in your mind while uploading your photo. First thing is, the photograph must be formal with a white background and avoid white clothes with white background, and your face and shoulder must be clearly visible while capturing the photo, and both ears must be clearly visible while capturing the photo, and file type is JPG. So after uploading the photo, please contact your supervisor via MS Teams or Microsoft Teams for approval of your photo. So for approval of your photo, you can check your status under responsibilities. Go to responsibilities, where you can see the option called responsibilities. In that responsibilities, you can see track my request. So click on the track my request. There you can find your status, whether your uploaded ID card has been approved or not by your supervisor. If at all it was not approved, so you can approach your supervisor via MS Teams, Microsoft Teams. After it has been approved, then you have to geotag your location in ETMS app. I will be showing the ETMS application how to geocode also. So before that, first you need to go to Finance and Infrastructure to initiate your ID card request. Here you can see Finance and Infrastructure under Applications. Here you can see Inward Outward Material Movement Tracker. Click on that, and you can see a request for TCS ID card. So here you can see the request initiated for ID card, and beside that you can find the option called Edit Details. So click on that Edit Details, Workflow Details. You can see option called Workflow Details. So click on that Workflow Details, and as I already initiated, it has showing the status as created. So for you it will open like verify your address and verify your mobile number, and it will ask you will you self pick by coming to office, or else you need to send it by logistic partner. So you have to initiate that, and it will ask you to it will ask the confirmation whether you have geocoded in ETMS application or not. So confirm all you have done that, and initiate a request. So here this is an ETMS application which you can find in the Play Store or else UX apps. So you can see three options. Click on geocode yourself. As I have already geocoded my location, it has showing as my present address. So if for you it will show us to select the address, or tagging a current location. So select your address and save your address. So this is the process of geocoding your location in ETMS application, and I will be providing the ETMS application link description as well. You can download it from there, and after you have make sure that you have done everything from your side, and please initiate a request for your ID card. Then your ID card will start dispatching within 15 to 20 working days, and it will reach to you. So hope this video was very clear to you. So if you have any doubts regarding this, please comment me in the comment section. I will be glad to help you all. Until we meet again, it's bye from me. Thank you. Stay tuned.